Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am showing Sunday morning 6 to 2 o'clock vlog. Chicken pickle also. Please watch this. Don't skip. First of all, completed the morning walking. Next, I brought the flowers for puja. After fresh up, I am doing daily puja at our home. After puja, now I am making simple breakfast, poha, very easy and tasty recipe. After breakfast, next I am making chicken pickles. First of all, take clean and soft chicken pieces. Add 2 spoons turmeric powder, adding salt, mix it well. After mix, boil it well, not add water, medium flame for 15 minutes. Cover the lid. After 15 minutes, water should be dry. Next, take it in a plate. Next, pan on the stove. Add 100 grams oil. Oil is the heated. Add chicken pieces. Fry it well. Medium flame. Once again, chicken pickles. I have made the ingredients. Correct the measurement video for you. I am doing this chicken pickles video suddenly. After fry, take it in a plate. Add 100 grams oil. Next, take a mixie jar, add 2 spoons coriander seeds and 1.5 spoon cumin seeds. Next, add garam masala seeds, grind it well, fine powder. Sorry, a small mistake took place. Garam masala powder and red chilli powder. Mixing video clip missing. Add fried chicken pieces. Mixing this masala mixer. Add 100 grams red chilli powder. Mix it well. The chicken pickles should be in stock more days. Add extra oil. Very tasty spicy chicken pickles is ready to be served. I hope like this video. Please support our channel, like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.